10 foods that heal or harm. Fatty. Liver. Your liver works hard every day to detox your body, but some foods can help it heal, while others can make fatty liver worse. Let's count down the top 10 foods that heal or harm your liver. Harm. Sugary drinks. Sugary sodas and fruit juices flood your liver with fructose, leading to more fat buildup. Heal. Fatty fish salmon, sardines, and mackerel are rich in omega-3s, which reduce liver inflammation. Harm. Fried foods. Deep-fried snacks are loaded with unhealthy fats that stress your liver. Heal. Leafy greens. Spinach, kale, and arugula help flush out toxins and improve liver enzymes. Harm. Processed meats. Bacon, sausages, and hot dogs contain saturated fats and chemicals that harm liver cells. Heal. Coffee. Black coffee is linked to lower liver enzyme levels and protection against liver damage. Harm. White bread and refined carbs. These spike blood sugar and increase fat storage in the liver. Heal. Garlic compounds boost detox enzymes and help reduce liver fat. Harm. Alcohol. Too much alcohol is one of the fastest ways to damage your liver. Heal. Green tea. Packed with antioxidants, green tea helps reduce fat buildup and oxidative stress. A healthy liver means a healthier you. Swap harmful foods for healing ones, and your liver will thank you for life.